What's up, YouTubers? It's PCOT146 here. What's going on? I am trying to last in the freaking Hurricane Sandy right now. You probably can't really hear it or see it or anything, but yeah. But anyways, on Facebook there was a giveaway for Ricta brand new wheels, David Gonzalez wheels, and I was one of the random people chosen for the wheels. So thought I would do an unboxing since I got nothing else going on and school's canceled for me tomorrow, so yay! So, yeah, without further ado, this is the package it came in. I thought it would be a little bit bigger than this. But, yeah, so I'm just going to set the camera down for a quick second so I can unbox this. And, give me a couple minutes. Hopefully that works. Oh, sweet. I got a brand new Ricta t-shirt. Awesome. My very first Ricta t-shirt. Cool, cool, cool. Ricta sticker. Always wanted one of those. My very first one. And what I won is the Ricta Wheel Dynamic Speed Rings. It says Ricta Wheel Dynamic Street Foliage or something like that. Probably won't open these in the meantime. I'll probably just hold on to them for a collectible or something because I actually have brand new wheels still. So, but yeah. Here's the back, the front. I'm trying to see something else, see if I can find a thing here. The size is 53 mm, which I don't know what mm stands for, but yeah. And there's a thing right there too, by the way. Alright, so yeah, thank you very much, Ricta, and hope you guys do more giveaways, obviously, and I will definitely do them as long as you, like, I'll definitely sign up for them as long as you do giveaways. So yeah, as I said, thank you very much, Ricta, and peace, YouTubers. PCOT146 out.